I welcome you as we celebrate the wonderful achievements of our class of 2022. Today we will recognise the many hours of work they put into all of their studies.
Our graduating class of 2022 exemplifies success in all its forms, with outstanding athletes, talented artists, critical thinkers, and most importantly, kind and compassionate people. Each of our graduates can be proud to have left Santa Sabina with great triumphs, however big or small, regardless of if their achievements are recognised here today.
I too thank our teachers for their expertise and guidance, and your families. What I really hope for you is that you live a life of purpose, because the purpose will make the hard moments worth it. I hope that you choose to live and to work in a way that feeds your soul. While we are really, really proud of your academic achievements, we are much prouder of the young people you have become today.